Shawty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse.
It's your girl Dolly Roman, and today I did the one palette challenge. Yes, something real different. I'm really dedicated. Like, I even have wing liner on. Very rare, very rare. It's me and liner, we don't get along. But anywho, so today, like I said, I'm doing the one palette challenge. I use the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I use every color in the palette to create this look. Not one color missed. Nothing. I know you guys are probably like really confused, like, oh, she didn't use certain shades, da da da. You will find out the secrets in the next clip on how I did that to combine all the colors together. But anywho, yeah, I could have picked any old palette, but I just decided to go with this one. It was simple. It has 9 colors. My brain would have been scattered if I tried to do something else. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this slay, stay tuned. Also, this video is in conjunction with me recreating the makeup from the I Like It video by Cardi B. When I first seen this makeup look, I had to do it. I just had to do it. It was my favorite out of the entire video. So if you guys want to see how I recreate this, stay tuned. Bye. You guys, so I'm starting this video off with a shade I created by mixing the orange, yellow, and brown shade. So the one thing I loved about this makeup look, that it was mad colorful and it was so different. I don't know what it was. It just was the best one that stood out to me out of the entire video. So I had to recreate it and then put my own little spin on it. I don't know what the hell I'm singing. Don't mind me. But yeah, so I'm just doing that. And then I'm taking a mixture of that purple and that pinkish and purple shade in the palette. So what you guys will see me doing next is I'm going to blend the colors together. But I'm going to wing or take that other shadow out like I'm doing like a cut crease. And it's gonna create like a little tail on the end of the eyeshadow, because I don't know, like I really couldn't see personally, but I feel like the eyeshadow was like a little winged out towards the end. And y'all know this wouldn't be a Dolly Roman tutorial if I ain't cut my crease. So I'm cutting my crease. Now honestly here guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I cheat a little bit because there's not a like shimmer, like a shimmer shade in this palette that's similar. And I feel like on her lids she had something like a champagne color or like a nude. And then the colors were blended into it. So I had to use Waddles from ColourPop, which is one of their Super Shock shadows that came out years ago. I got it like a long time ago. And so I used that on my eyelids, and I basically just used that. I don't know, like you can say I just used that as a cheat to get that shimmery eyeshadow on my lids. But I still go in with those colors and make sure that you can see the colors more so than the shimmery shade. honor of me being lit, every tutorial I plan to be filming a Get Ready With Me Liddy edition really soon once I move. And for real, y'all, it's going to be lit because y'all see how lit I be in these videos. So I'm back with my full face done and I'm just finishing up my eyes. As you guys can see, I even have liner on. Like, it got that real today. But I had to do liner because I believe she had on liner. She did have on liner. So yeah, I'm just going underneath my eyes. I think I'm putting the Breezy highlighter, but I'm not sure. And I'm just basically going to finish up my face. I line my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk. Nothing new. As you guys know, white liner makes your eyes look open. So what I'm going to do here is take the two matte lime green and turquoise shades and put that in my waterline, and then I'm going to take the shimmer shades and put that and kind of smoke out the bottom. What the hell am I listening to? So now I'm going to go into that rose gold pinky shade that's in the palette, that shimmer shade, and put that in my inner corner. And I just love how this look came out and how it came all together as a whole. And I'm glad I decided to recreate this look because it was really my favorite look. And it just takes a lot of blending when it comes to these colorful looks. People ask me that all the time. So you guys will see how I'm going to continue to blend throughout the video. And like I said, I end up highlighting with the Breezy highlighter. It's been my favorite highlighter of the moment. It's really just a bomb highlighter. And for those who didn't get it, it is sold out now. So I don't know if they're going to restock it because it was limited edition. But if you didn't get your hands on this highlighter, I'm telling you, it's a must. So I'm just going to speed this clip up as a whole. So in the video, she had on like a dark burgundy lipstick. And this is like my typical fave lipstick to wear in the fall time. So I just put on, I forget exactly what lipstick this is, but the one lipstick is one of those beauty supply store matte lipsticks that came out a few years ago that everybody went crazy about. And then I topped it off with Transylvania from NYX, the soft matte lip cream. But I just felt like the burgundy just matured the look too much, so I end up taking it off. And then as you guys see, I'm putting my mascara on. I'm doing like a couple different mascaras so it could look like I have eyelashes on. I haven't had eyelashes on in a few weeks, but I will be getting some on next week, which I'm really excited about. And I'm changing my hair. So yeah, I'm just doing that real quick so you guys can see. And I end up changing the lip color anyway in the next clip. So as I said, that lip color wasn't working for me, so I had to go with a nude lip gloss. Not lip gloss, but lipstick. But this is just a new lip combination I actually created that I am in love with. So what I do is I go in with this brown lipstick. I believe this is from LA Colors. It's one of their matte lip colors. And it's not like a harsh brown, but it's like a light brown. So I go in with that, and then I'll go in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Latte to Go lipstick, which I got at BeautyCon last year, and I put that basically in the center. And if you guys see me putting powder on my lips, it's because I'm making my lipstick matte. And then I go over that shade in Oyster Girl from MAC, and I wore this to Art All Night, this lip combination, and I was in love. It was the perfect nude lip. It's so bomb. It's so pretty to me, and it's just like a nude lip I would wear every day, like a nude lip combo. And I am in love with Oyster Girl. Like, why didn't nobody tell me about this lip glass before?
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stool.
She said she too young, don't want no man, so she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo, just wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.